Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about kind of one of these subjects that I know that a lot of people don't want to talk about, but I think this is the reality of extreme couponing. And for a lot of you that resell, and I'm sure there are many of you that do, you sell at a yard sale a couple times a year, or you might sell on Facebook Marketplace, or you might sell your stuff at, a swap meet once a week. And it's a really good side hustle to make a little bit of money on a lot of these items that you get for free or very inexpensive. And in this video, I had a thought this week with the amount of pharmacies that will be closing, to maybe put a pin on reselling and really keep your stockpile, as controversial as that sounds. So on Thursday, we received news that roughly 2,000 Walgreens will be closing in the next 3 years. This isn't next week or very immediately. I know that the Rite Aids that are closing in Michigan and Ohio, that is going to be by the end of the summer, which is a timeline. But yet it's very scary for a lot of us that get our stockpile from these two stores. One of you actually said it in the comments of the video that I posted a couple days back, that she was considering having another stockpile yard sale, and that with the prices going up and these store closures, maybe that's not the smartest move. And I'm not sure if this subscriber wanted me to put her photo and name in this video, so I did crop it out, but this lady is right on the money, because I was thinking the same thing, that maybe it's just not the wisest move right now, with these two pharmacies that a lot of us frequent and all these store closures. Is that really the smartest thing, to have a sale to resell all your stuff for next to profit that you want, when this keeps happening? And another subscriber who's exceptionally wise said, hey, it's time to stock up because it's going to get rough. And another right on the money comment by Activist Granny. And I completely agree with her as well. Now, this video is not about reselling or having a stockpile sale. It's just about the facts. Just about being smart. Because you coupon, you put all this effort into amassing all this stuff. But if you're going to resell it for a profit, and then you do not have the toilet paper, you do not have the body wash or cleaner that you need for the next 12 months, and who knows what the real timeline is with all these Walgreens. Maybe it'll be by the end of the year. Maybe it'll be in 2 years. Maybe it'll be in 3 years. We do not know. But this news story really kind of just came out of left field. And then people will say in the comments, oh no, we saw this coming all along. But some of the stuff that I read in that article, I was even shocked myself. I recommend you look it up on a news app. It's definitely worth a read. But I would really, really put a pin on reselling if you have a smaller stockpile and you just need everything in it. The other aspect of this, if you are desperate to have a yard sale to make a little bit of money from this hobby of couponing, I would absolutely grab a pad of paper and pen and do an inventory. What you can part with, what you cannot part with. And then I would look at things in 6 to 12 month increments. So if you needed 12 Tides, you keep 12 bottles for all of your family for the detergent. If you help out your grandmother, you'd also have to factor that in as well. Body wash, you'd probably need 12 shampoos. The meat and potatoes that you need mathematically for your home. Pending how long you have been couponing, you're going to have to figure out what you can part with. Just say there's a certain type of detergent that you do not like. Well, then obviously you can resell it if you have an abundance of it. But if you are helping others out in your family as well, you'll have to figure out how much you need in your stockpile. And I would really put a pause in reselling. That's just my humble opinion. I'd rather have, a $10,000, $20,000 stockpile in my basement that is my backup right now than to make maybe $1,000 off of it. To have that assurity that I have this means a lot more to me than $1,000 cash. Everybody might see this completely different, but if you do want to resell, maybe it's time to take an inventory, items that you don't like or anybody in your family doesn't like. Sell those. If you're a penny shopper, that would be some great merchandise to offload as well for profit. But the stuff that you need, I would take a very hard look at it and be very, very selective of what you resell at this juncture. I think that a lot of us are thinking of things this way, and it's not a bad thing to have a plan, especially when they just keep pulling the floor from our feet. That's it from this video. In the comments down below, let me know your thoughts, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.